It's not you versus them, it's you versus you. Every morning you have two choices. Stay the same or level up.
Nice, right? Yeah, that was all done by AI. Look at this channel. It is called Soulful Success. They have over 20,000 subscribers and almost 4 million views. And I really think they are onto something. They make these motivational videos with mostly anime style. Let's get started ourselves now. Go to ChatGPT and ask, I want to create YouTube shorts that are motivational. Please give me 10 video ideas. Now choose a video idea and type something like, I will pick you versus you. Please give me a script to read out loud, and reading it out loud should not take more than 1 minute. Perfect. Let's copy this script and go to 11 Labs. Pick a voice from the voice library, or simply use a voice you already own. Now add the script here and generate it.
It's not you versus them, it's you versus you.
Amazing. Let's download it. Now add it to CapCut. Now we are going to focus on the visuals. Go back to ChatGPT and type, please give me image prompts in anime style to illustrate the entire script with an AI image generator. Give me the image prompts in text form. Now, copy the first prompt and go to an AI image generator. You could, for example, use Leonardo AI. It is free to use, and you get daily 150 credits. Add the prompt and make sure to set the aspect ratio to 9:16. The generation will take around 30 seconds. Generate all the prompts and download the ones you like most. Now add them to CapCut and out them in the right chronological order. Now generate the captions and choose a nice template. Choose some fitting motivational music from the YouTube audio library. Add it to CapCut. Now to bring the images to life, go to the effects, and then to motion. Add the 3D zoom effects to the images. It will look really cool, I promise. Now add some nice filters. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own anime motivational shorts with AI. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
It's not you versus them, it's you versus you. Every morning you have two choices. Stay the same or level up. The old you wants comfort. The new you craves growth. The old you makes excuses. The new you takes action. The old you quits when it gets hard. The new you pushes through. Every decision, every habit, every action. You're either feeding the old you or building the new you. So ask yourself, who's winning today? Because at the end of the day, it's always you versus you.